In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Substack app. By the end, you'll have Substack running in its own window, just like a native app, so it's quicker to open and easier to stay focused on your reading and writing. First, open Substack. The simplest way is to launch Google Chrome and go to the Substack site so you're on a page you use often, your home feed, a publication you follow, or your account dashboard. Keeping the page you want open will help Chrome recognize it for installation and set the right name and icon automatically. Next, click on the three-dot menu in Google Chrome in the top right corner. This is the main browser menu, and it's where Chrome puts tools for saving, sharing, and installing site apps. If you're not sure you're in the right place, look for the vertical three dots at the far end of the toolbar, just to the right of your profile picture or extension icons. Now, click Cast, Save, Share. In recent versions of Chrome, these options might appear together as a section labeled Save and Share, showing items like Cast, Save Page As, and Share. Opening this area confirms you're in the Tools section, where Chrome also exposes site-specific actions. Don't worry about actually casting or saving anything. The goal is simply to open that part of the menu so you can access the Install option linked to the page you have open. With the menu open and those items visible, click Install Substack as an app. When you choose this, Chrome will package the current Substack site into a standalone app. You'll see a brief confirmation window so Chrome can set up the app with the proper name and icon. After it finishes, Substack opens in its own clean window without the standard browser tabs, making it feel like a dedicated application. From here, you can keep the window open and enjoy the streamlined experience. The new Substack app will also appear in your operating system's app list or launcher, so you can open it later just like any other program. If you're using Chrome on a different computer, the same steps work there too. Open Substack, use the three-dot menu, click Cast, Save, Share to access that tool's area, then click Install Substack as an app. A quick tip as you wrap up. This process works in Google Chrome because it supports installing sites as apps. If you're using a different browser, you might not see the same options. That's it. Simple, fast, and now Substack is just a click away.